Λοιπόν, έχω μπει σε ταξί χωρίς οδηγό και δεν ξέρω γιατί το έχω κάνει αυτό, αλλά να, για του λόγου του αληθές, οδηγείται μόνο του ο Χριστούλης και η Παναγίτσα. Shock. We took a taxi here in San Francisco and there's a problem, I guess. There's no driver. Cool. And it also plays rock music. I like it. There's no driver. We are on the traffic light and now it is going to turn left. I don't know how, but oh my god. Oh, oh. Did you see that? Oh my.
Waymo. As we get going, just give us 1 minute to cover a few riding tips. This experience may feel futuristic, but the need to buckle up is the same as always. So keep your seatbelt fastened, please. If you're traveling with little ones,
there are cars here with no driver.